How to change order of products in Shopify. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your order of products that's shown on your Shopify store. So as you guys can see here, I've got a few products that I've randomly added for now. Now, if you want to change the order that's shown here, you can just go ahead and select your category and create a new collection. So for that, you want to head over to products, go to collection, and from your homepage, let's just add a new collection. On this, you can just do something like let's do summer collection and then tap on save. And on the collection type, let's add manual and search for your products. So simply add the products. So I'll just add these products to my summer collection and then click on add. Once you've added the products, tap on save at the bottom right. And once you have done that, you want to change the order of the products. So on the sort, it's best selling, but you want to do manually. And after this, let's say if I want this t-shirt with the picture to be shown on top, I can just move it on top like this. I want the jacket to be last, I can drag it to the very end. And then once you have ordered your product, so let's just do t-shirt, pants, product one, and then jacket. All right, this seems good. Now, once you have done that, you could just go ahead and click on OK. Tap on save. Now, once your summer collection has been added, now once you've done all of this, just go back and it's going to automatically save your changes. Now you want to head over to the online store option, go to themes, and from here you want to just go ahead and customize your theme. Wait for it to load. Now from your theme, just go ahead and click on customize. And then you want to find your collection here. Now, once you customize it, as you can see here on my summer collection store, everything is in order. So there are 5 items. You can sort it with alphabetical. This is for the user's side, but I have manually added the order, something like this, with the t-shirt with the picture first and jacket at the last. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.